Today in this chapter we will learn how to fly an RC plane in the air and how to control it with the help of a remote. You should watch the full video. In this we will also give you our customer support WhatsApp number with the help of which you will be able to make and fly your own drone or plane easily. We can see that this plane has 2 ailerons, 1 elevator, 1 rudder, and a throttle. With the help of the throttle, we can increase or decrease the speed of the motor. RC plane flight controls. A 4-channel airplane allows you to control the ailerons, rudder, and elevator independently. These are the same flight control surfaces pilots use to operate full-size planes, from crop dusters to jumbo jets. RC receiver channels. The term channels refers to the model's receiver. A 4-channel airplane will have a 4-channel receiver. Each channel controls one function, and since we've got an RC airplane, each function is a flight control surface. The channels are numbered, so it's easy to reconnect the servos properly if you unplug them. Most RC planes sold in the USA are configured like so: Radio Master AETR channel assignments channel 1, ailerons channel 2, elevator channel 3, throttle channel 4, rudder. To control both the ailerons in the wing of the plane we use servo Y cable which looks something like this. We will see how to control with the RC remote transmitter controller. Here are the control surfaces in action. The controls are proportional, meaning the surfaces move in proportion to the amount that you move the control sticks. So the farther you push the stick, the farther the control surface will move. Note that the ailerons operate in opposite directions. When one goes up, the other goes down. Article illustrations based on Mode 2 North American controls. As you fly your aircraft, you'll control its position in the air along 3 axes. A plane is set to yaw when it pivots around the vertical axis. Picture a skewer going through the plane from bottom to top. When the plane rotates along its longitudinal axis, imagine the skewer going through the plane from nose to tail, that is the roll axis, and when the plane pivots along its transverse axis, a skewer going through the plane's nose, that is pitch. As this animation shows, each axis is assigned to a direction on the left or right stick of your RC transmitter. The left stick operates the throttle when moved forward and back. The left stick operates the rudder when moved left and right. The right stick operates the elevator when moved forward and back. The right stick operates the ailerons when moved left and right. We've illustrated the flight control sticks as moving up and down and side to side, but the sticks also move diagonally so each stick can operate 2 channels simultaneously. So, for example, pushing the left stick up and to the right will increase power while rotating the fuselage right. The rudder and aileron controls are intuitive because moving the left or right stick to the right causes the plane to yaw or roll to the right, and vice versa if you want to roll or yaw left. However, some new pilots find the elevator controls hard to get used to because they are configured so that pulling the stick back makes the plane climb, and pushing it forward makes the plane dive. This is how full-sized planes are configured, but if you're used to pushing a control stick up to make characters look up or move up in video games, it may feel back. If you still face any problem in making your own plane or drone, or you want to make an advanced drone or plane, then we can also help you online through our customer support. We have displayed our customer support number. Please take your appointment through WhatsApp as well.